Hello together. Today I show you how to make a cool cell phone bag with the new 3 series. The detailed sewing instruction, the pattern and detailed photos are available at BERNINA.com smartphone bag. Cut all fabric pieces according to the pattern: front piece A, back piece B, pocket C, lining D and loops E. Reinforce A, B and C with a fusible interlining. Buttonhole. A helpful video tutorial about buttonholes is to be found on YouTube, sewing buttonholes with the BERNINA 335 and 325. Thread the bobbin thread into the finger of the bobbin case. Select buttonhole 51, then determine the length and the width. Mark the position of the buttonhole on the small pocket. The buttonhole is automatically sewn to the end. Combi mode. A helpful video tutorial on combi mode is to be found on YouTube, combining stitches and saving stitch combinations with the BERNINA 335-325. Select the plus icon on the screen. Enter the decorative stitches and/or letters. Go to Edit, edit the stitch combination and select Repeat to stitch out the lettering once. Select Pattern Begin and add securing stitches. Draw a line in the lower part of the pocket. Sew the lettering centered along this line onto the bag. When the machine stops, press the securing button again, but only sew the 4 securing stitches, then stop. Before another combination can be entered, the current design must be deleted. Select stitch 401 twice and mirror the lower active one. Sew the stitch on the back part. Add more decorative stitches if desired. To leave the combi mode, click on the plus icon on the screen. Attach the pocket using the consultant. Fold under and press the lower and the side edges of the pocket 0.5 centimeters. Fold the top edge twice by 0.5 centimeters and top stitch close to the edge. The consultant provides helpful tips for various sewing projects. First select the fabric, then the application. A stitch is proposed and information about needle, thread, thread tension and more appears. Select Confirm and the machine switches automatically to the proposed stitch with all settings. To sew practical stitches, unthread the finger of the bobbin case. Attach the pocket onto the front piece of the cell phone bag. Needle stop down prevents unintentional shifting. Pivot the project and continue stitching the other two sides and secure at the end. Assembling the cell phone bag. Make the loops for the cord. Sew the loops onto the front piece 3 cm below the top edge. Sew the bottom edge of the front and back pieces together. Sew the inner lining to the upper edge of the front and back pieces to create a tube. Close the side seams, leaving an opening on one side of the interlining. Turn the project through the opening, right side out. Press the seams, turn the open seam allowance inwards and press. Close the opening with an edge stitch. Tuck the pocket into the lining and top stitch the upper edge. Cut the buttonhole open. Mark the button and sew it on by hand. Pull in the cord.
BERNINA, made to create.